Here's an update on my piano robot. I was 3D printing all day and made some parts on Tinkercad. I wanted to make a mechanism in order to add to my servo to press down a piano key. I started out with this worm drive that spins and moves this pinion up and down, but the servo cannot move past 180 degrees, so that was out. Then I made an arm for it to press down the key, but the hole was too big, so I made it smaller and then it fit nice. And then I made it so I can screw down the top of it onto the servo end. And then it wasn't enough torque, so I added a gear on it so I can gear it down for a ratio of 1 to 2. I made it thicker, and then I added the case on the side so I can run the axle through that can hold the gear. I added a servo mount to one of the ends, but that was too small, so I made it a little bit bigger and this one fit. This one's really smooth. And then I got really greedy and I tried to print everything out at once, including the axles, and of course that went bad because they got all stuck together. Then I printed this. This was pretty nice. I made it so I don't have to run a screw to connect these two plates together. And then I printed one more that fit the servo inside. The gears are thicker, but of course right at the end when I'm about to complete it, my servo stops working. But this is by far the most improvement that I made. I'm probably gonna buy another Arduino and another type of servo that can hold more weight.